If you want more people to find and join your Telegram channel, the good news is that you do not need a huge budget to get started. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to promote your Telegram channel using 3 simple but powerful methods: search optimization, directory submissions, and cross-promotion. These are beginner-friendly strategies, but they can make a real difference when you use them consistently. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step growth tips just like this. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about search optimization. One of the easiest ways to help people discover your Telegram channel is to make sure your channel is easy to understand at a glance. Start with your channel name. Try to include a clear keyword that describes what your channel is about. For example, if your channel is about crypto news, marketing tips, study resources, or tech updates, that keyword should be reflected in the name so people instantly know what they are joining. Next, look at your username. Your Telegram username is important because it helps people find and share your channel more easily. If possible, choose a short username that matches your niche or brand. Short, simple usernames are easier to remember, easier to type, and easier to search. Avoid complicated strings of numbers or random symbols if you want your channel to look professional. Now, move to your channel description. This is where you can add a few natural keywords that explain what your channel offers. Keep it clear, useful, and specific. Tell visitors what kind of content you post, how often you post, and who the channel is for. A strong description helps both real people and Telegram's search system understand your channel better. The goal here is not to stuff keywords everywhere. The goal is to clearly describe your channel in a way that matches what people are searching for. Once your profile is optimized, the next step is directory submissions. A lot of people overlook this, but it can help bring in organic traffic from users already browsing Telegram directories. One popular option is TGStat, which is a public catalog platform where people can discover channels by topic. When you list your channel on platforms like this, you give your content another place to be found beyond Telegram itself. When submitting to a directory, make sure your channel title, description, and category are accurate. Use the same branding and keywords that you use inside Telegram so everything stays consistent. Consistency helps build trust and makes your channel easier to recognize across platforms. Also, if the directory allows tags or topic labels, choose the ones that match your content closely. The more relevant your listing is, the better chance you have of reaching the right audience. Now let's move on to cross-promotion, which is one of the fastest ways to bring traffic to your Telegram channel. Cross-promotion simply means sharing your invite link on other platforms where your audience already spends time. This could be X, formerly Twitter, Instagram stories, LinkedIn, a personal blog, a website, or even email newsletters. The idea is to place your Telegram link in front of people who already care about your topic. A direct invite link works best because it removes friction. Instead of making people search for your channel manually, you can send them straight to the join page. If you use social media, create a short post that explains what your Telegram channel offers and why someone should join. Keep it clear and benefit-driven. For example, instead of just saying join my Telegram, say what kind of updates, tips, or resources they will get when they join. If you use Instagram stories, try adding a call to action that encourages viewers to tap the link. If you use LinkedIn, write a professional post that highlights your channel as a useful resource. If you have a blog or website, place your Telegram link in a sidebar, banner, or end of post call to action. The more places you promote your channel, the more opportunities you create for growth. The most important thing is to stay consistent. Promotion works best when you combine all 3 methods. Optimize your Telegram profile so people can find you, submit your channel to directories so you can earn organic discovery, and promote your invite link on external platforms so you can attract new members from outside Telegram. And remember, do not just focus on getting clicks, focus on giving people a reason to stay. Once they join your channel, make sure your content delivers value, stays relevant, and matches the promise you made in your description. That is how you turn promotions into long-term subscribers. If this video helped you learn how to promote your Telegram channel, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this. It really helps the channel grow, and I appreciate it a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.